One of my favorite fictional characters is Huck Finn. He represents this idealistic innocence. Sure, he's rough around the edges and things like that, but he has a kind heart, as evidenced through his actions and adventures with Jim. And there's been so many different adaptations of the Huck Finn story. The one I love in particular is the one starring Elijah Wood. I grew up on that movie. Now, as I grew older, one of the things that I said to myself was like, let me revisit, or let me check out rather, for the first time, the source material, right? Because I'd never read the book. And, it actually holds, I'm very impressed with the novel itself, right? I'm always curious to see how things are spawned off of, the original source material. And if you've never read the actual text from Mark Twain, I encourage you to check it out. I believe it still holds up, It reaffirmed my love for Huck Finn as a character. So definitely worth checking out the original novel that created all the various adaptations in terms of movies. If you've read it, let me know what you thought. If you haven't yet read it, check it out and let me know what you think. And also curious to know what your favorite interpretation of the character is on screen.